Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by launching Doom and going straight to Options, then Video or Display. You want the game running so sliders reflect actual visuals. Change Render or Display mode to native resolution first. Once done, locate the brightness and gamma sliders. They are the primary controls. You may also see HDR or film grain toggles. Leave those off for now so brightness adjustments behave predictably. Make sure your monitor's OSD and Windows Nightlight are disabled so you aren't compensating for external changes. You'll now make measured adjustments. Nudge the brightness slider by small steps and check a variety of scenes, dark corridors and sunlit exteriors, so you see real change. If blacks wash out or details vanish, back off and use gamma to recover midtone detail without losing overall luminance. Once you have a base, preview with HUD and weapon visible because those elements reveal clipping. If you enable HDR or film grain later, retune both sliders since they alter perceived contrast and light levels. Finish by testing your chosen brightness across several levels and save the settings. Playing a minute or two confirms comfort during gameplay. If something looks off, washed highlights or crushed shadows, reset to defaults and repeat the small step process, because incremental changes prevent overshoot. As a key troubleshooting tip, if brightness remains inaccurate, make sure your GPU drivers are up to date and that your monitor's OSD and Windows color profiles aren't overriding game output. Correcting those external.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.